Alright, just getting back to Mark's garage. Let's show these guys the next little project I picked up.
Sick?
Dang, that looks good.
Oh yeah. Gonna be fresh for the new year.
What is it, a 125?
250.
Dang.
23.
Built by professionals.
2 years old now.
Looks good, man. Looks clean. Looks brand new.
It is. It's new crank, new piston,
Yamaha Bros.
I don't need this no more.
everything OEM Yamaha.
We're gonna be called the Badger Bros now.
Badger.
You are. Badger Bro. Is that the U-line one? That one's different?
Nah. What do you
Why?
mean?
What's mine doesn't have that logo on the
Are
bottom.
you trying?
Some little project I picked up, man.
Oh yeah. Banging likes those shits.
Does take forever.
Pull it out of there, boys. Oh, I got the parking brake set.
Oh yeah, that's sick. Here's the baby. This is the fucking off-road one.
Careful, the handlebars are close.
Go fast.
Go fast. Let's see what's going on.
We didn't want to hit the hitch. We wanted to really bent the shit. Yeah, this shit's thick, dude.
$400? I mean, it's worth that all day.
Needs tires.
Doesn't need nothing. Just a,
Tires.
it's just a rider.
Fucking bald. You're bald, boss.
Yeah, this is sick, dude. It's way bigger than the fucking Moto 4. The battery hold a charge though?
I don't know. Turn the key.
Oh, runs.
Choke is on, I think.
Running.
Dang, bro. It wouldn't run it when I picked it up.
Look out, bitch.
What are you doing? You can't ride it. Screw up your yard. You can't mess the yard up, Mark. It's up, buddy.
Turn the choke off or on or whatever.
You can smell it's like loading up. Yeah, choke is on right now. Okay, start it again.
That's the only reason it ran.
And turn
It'll-
the fucking fuel on.
It's not warmed up. Give it gas.
Probably 'cause the gas is off.
What are you doing? Give it some throttle, no?
Did.
Okay, choke's off now.
Turn the choke on. Look how those front shocks.
Choke's on.
Go.
It runs with the choke on.
Yeah, it dies when you choke on.
Yeah, it just needs to get the carb cleaned. I can.
So start it up and rip it around.
That's a 2-second thing.
Go. Fire it and rip it right now. Go. That's it. Go.
What a piece of crap.
Don't want to kill the starter.
Yeah, he gave me a brand new Wiseco top end kit. He said it smokes and needs a top end. That's why I got it so cheap, $400.
Straight. Just
Put it back up.
No,
I'm going
sure.
right out the exhaust. For $400, it's probably straight, right? Clean it up a little bit. Maybe put that top end kit together and
Flick that switch. See if the lights work.
No. The light should be just full time on.
It ain't gonna run. I'm going in.
Mark's cold.
I gotta go home real quick and check my fire.
The cooler one.
Get, Matt? What are you trying to get?
Jay's the cooler one.
What are you trying to get, Matt? What are you trying to get? That's what Gavin was saying.
Gavin, did you see that they just came out with the first snowed in? His first snowed in video's out on Sparks channel.
No, I didn't watch
Yeah,
it.
it's out now. He's driving Robbie Layton's big limo around.
That's his limo.
Yeah.
Did you see him jump the fucking R6?
No.
Yeah, they jump in the R6 like Cletus did last year.
Yeah, I'm sure that's gonna be crazy.
Yeah. And fucking Whistling Diesel thinks he's all cool because he wrapped the snow bike in the Alcoa shit.
Nice. So what are you doing with this motor? That's all done now? You just put the whole top end on or what?
Yeah. The dude did the crank and crank bearings for me and now it's all done. Now I should be able to race all year hard as fuck.
You out of here taking that motor and bouncing?
No, I'm coming back. Just can't do everything.
One.
Cracked it loose.
Yeah. Yeah, I did. I did. See?
So now that those adjusters, you can back them all the way out and they'll bring that weight flat.
Yep. It'll give me more room to mess with the cam when I'm putting it in. Know what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
So next time,
We'll
before
do
I take
that
them apart,
first, yeah.
yeah, we'll do it in there with the pins holding it.
All your stuff's blown up.
Which head are you talking about?
The other one still.
Your Harley's blown up.
Spark plug?
Your dirt bike's blown up.
My dirt bike had to be completely rebuilt and put back together. My other Sportster has a fucking stripped out spark plug in the head. And it needs to be
So you're gonna heel coil that or something?
yeah. Not heel
You're gonna
Yeah.
drill it out and put a nutsert in there or something almost.
Yep. And then that is the heads from my other Harley that's in my living room because I couldn't get the exhaust stuff out.
Nice. All right, Jay. Let's just see if we can get it fired up and just rip it for 1 minute.
Drain the float bowl. You know there's gas in there?
Open it up and check.
You check. It's too cold.
You check.
Go check it.
There's a
Alright.
tiny bit of gas. It should probably go on reserve.
Is the gas off?
Put it on reserve.
No, turn it off. I'm gonna get the freaking shit out of the float bowl if there's rust. in
Yeah,
it.
it's gross. Is it dripping out? All right. Put it down.
It's gotta clag this thing right here.
These aren't even real lights. These are fake lights.
And there's nothing even on
What the bonk?
them.
That was why I was excited for that.
You can make them real. Put it on reserve and hide it.
Okay, it's on reserve now.
Or
Choke's on.
Just that.
Dang, definitely smoky.
Choke's on right now.
It's cool, man. Look at all that smoke, bro. Get on it. Ride it. Oh, man. All right. Huh? Ride it.
Probably just didn't want me to see it smoking.
Yeah, he was going to run it. Jump on.
That's just valve seal. You can still see it burn.
Smoky. I'll do the top end on it. Do the same thing. Just redo the head a little bit. All right, guys, next little project we're gonna put together real quick. 2006 Yamaha Grizzly 80. Call us the Badger Bros, man. This is all we do. Little 80cc 4-stroke. The guy I bought it from said it needs a top end. It's smoking a little bit, so he had already bought the Wiseco piston and rings, gasket set. We'll put all that together, clean it up a little bit, and have some fun, man. Looks cool. I think we got a deal for 400 bucks. No real major damage. Just got to shine the plastics up a little bit and give her that old Yamaha Bros TLC. So stay tuned.